The world of SUVs is getting more exciting by the day. Today, we're re-diving into the Mazda CX-70 2025. This SUV has been turning heads with its stylish design and powerful performance. But how does it really stack up? Is it just another pretty face, or does it have what it takes to be a top performer in the SUV segment? Well, buckle up and get ready to find out, because we've got all the details. Starting with its exterior, the CX-70 definitely makes a statement. It's not just another boxy SUV. No, sir. This thing has curves in all the right places. Up front, you've got those sleek LED headlights that are super bright and really set the tone. They remind me of a fierce cat ready to pounce. And speaking of fierce, check out that front grille. It's bold, it's in your face, and it lets everyone know that this car means business. Now take a look at the body of this car. It's got these sharp, strong lines that give it a real sense of movement, even when it's standing still. It's like the car version of a tight t-shirt on a bodybuilder, all flex and no fluff. The wheels are also super cool. They're big, they're bold, and they fill out the arches perfectly, giving the car a really planted look, like it's ready to take on any road. All in all, this car is one good-looking machine. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The CX-70 has some serious power to unleash. It comes with a turbocharged inline-six engine that can put out over 300 horsepower. That means you've got plenty of oomph for passing on the highway or taking on those steep hills with ease. And if you're worried about gas mileage, don't be. This bad boy has an impressive 26 miles per gallon in the city and 32 on the highway. That's pretty good for an SUV. Plus, you've got the option of going with front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive depending on your needs. So whether you're cruising through the city streets or tearing up the off-road trails, you'll be in good hands. All right, enough about the outside. Let's take a look inside the cabin. The CX-70 is like that friend who looks great on the outside but is even cooler on the inside. You've got premium materials, comfortable seating, and a really sleek vibe that makes you feel like you're in a spaceship ready to blast off. The seats are like clouds, super soft and supportive, so you can drive for hours without feeling like you need to pull over for a break. And the dashboard is laid out in a way that makes everything easy to reach and see. You've got dual screens for your infotainment system, so you can stay connected and entertained without getting distracted. And if you need more space, just fold down the rear seats and boom, you've got a huge area for cargo. Plus, the CX-70 is loaded with cool features like a head-up display, wireless charging, and a premium sound system. It's like having your own private concert hall on wheels. Speaking of cool features, let's talk about safety. The CX-70 has got you covered with things like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, and blind spot monitoring. These features help you avoid accidents and make driving less stressful. And if you go for the hybrid model, you'll get even more benefits, like regenerative braking and an electric motor that assists the gas engine. It's like having a personal assistant for your car, except this one doesn't make coffee. Finally, let's talk about pricing. The CX-70 is like that friend who looks great, drives great, and doesn't cost an arm and a leg. We're talking about a starting price of around $35,000, which is pretty reasonable for an SUV with all the features that this one has. Plus, Mazda has a reputation for reliability, which means you won't have to spend a fortune on repairs and maintenance. All in all, the Mazda CX-70 is a total badass. It looks great, performs well, has a ton of cool features, and won't break the bank. What more could you ask for? Now I want to hear from you. What do you think of the CX-70? Is it on your radar? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss out on the latest and greatest cars. Until next time, happy driving.